If you see the service electronic throttle control in the Ram 1500, it means that your truck has the electronic gas pedal. So this gas pedal doesn't have the metal wire connection with throttle body, and it doesn't control the throttle flap directly. It has the sensor, and it sends the readings to the ECU, and the ECU controls the position of the throttle. So there are several reasons that may cause this error message to pop up in the Ram 1500. And first of all is the gas pedal unit. Actually, this is the gas pedal position sensor, but in Ram cars it isn't replaced so easily. So usually in dealerships and in independent shops, they will replace the entire assembly of the gas pedal. The second really common problem is the brake pedal, which is actually the same construction. So the brake pedal unit that also has this pedal position sensor, of course, and this sensor may also malfunction. It's not as common as with the gas pedal, but sometimes this may also happen. The third problem is the throttle position sensor. The throttle position sensor in Ram 1500 vehicles in all engines is not really simple, and it can glitch, it can have some issues. But I wouldn't say that it's very common. It's possible, but not very common. What's more common is the wiring problems. The wiring problems near the pedal blocks, the pedal units, and also near the throttle body. First of all, the wiring can be chewed by some rodents, and secondly, this wiring can be corroded, affected by water. It may just be physically affected, so it may be damaged. Checking the wiring is not that easy in these cars, so I would find someone who would do this for you. There is one more very common issue. If you are pressing the gas pedal and the brake pedal at the same time, you will see this service electronic throttle control warning in your car. And one more issue that can cause this warning is the weak 12-volt battery. If the 12-volt battery in your Ram 1500 is dying, it means that the voltage in the system will sometimes drop below 11 volts, for example, and this will cause a lot of glitches in the electronic control modules. And of course, it may be the reason of any warning, any error message, including this service electronic throttle control. But if you have the EcoDiesel engine and you go online, you research this problem, you will find out that this is the EGR, this is the DPF, this is all this ecology system that is causing this warning. But before you invest money in repairing this EcoDiesel engine, you will need to check all the things that I told you before. Because very often this will be just the gas pedal, which costs peanuts in comparison with the DPF replacement or EGR repair.